Wave is a free, cloud-based accounting software ideal for small businesses. This video guides you through setting up sales tax within Wave, covering locations, rates, and reports. As of 2026, Wave offers robust features for U.S. users, including integrations for automated tax calculations and compliance with evolving tax regulations. Wave has expanded to basic sales tax support in Canada and the UK. Let's get started. To set up business locations in Wave, start by navigating to the Settings menu, then select Taxes, and finally choose Locations. Click to add a new location and enter the address details, including street address, city, state, and zip code. Once entered, Wave automatically detects the tax jurisdiction based on the address and applies the relevant sales tax rates. For e-commerce stores, be sure to set the shipping origin to correctly calculate taxes based on origin or destination rules, depending on your business needs. Wave supports adding up to 50 locations per account, making it suitable for businesses operating in multiple areas. To configure sales tax rates in Wave, start by enabling taxes in the Settings menu under Taxes. Next, add tax rates either manually or by using the Avalara integration for real-time data updates. Define tax codes to categorize different rates, such as standard for regular items, exempt for tax-free goods, or reduced for essentials. If needed, set up rules for compound taxes, where multiple rates apply, or choose between inclusive and exclusive rate calculations. Finally, update rates quarterly to stay current, and always verify them against official state tax sources for accuracy. E-commerce growth following the pandemic has significantly increased demand for automated tax tools, with Wave experiencing a 30% year-over-year growth in tax feature usage among its users. Hybrid sales tax models, including marketplace facilitator laws where platforms collect and remit taxes, are increasingly supported to handle modern e-commerce structures. AI integration in Wave, introduced in 2025, reduces compliance costs through predictive analytics, cutting errors and manual work by up to 40% based on historical data. Looking ahead, Wave plans to expand to full international tax support in over 50 countries by 2030, covering GST and VAT systems. Industry experts predict a 25% adoption rate for AI tax tools by then. Real-world examples demonstrate Wave's effectiveness in sales tax management. A California-based e-commerce store reduced overpayments by 12% by setting up location-based rates across different states, ensuring accurate calculations for each jurisdiction. A freelancer operating in New York and Florida utilized Wave's tax codes for service exemptions, avoiding unnecessary taxes on certain work. Additionally, AI-driven rate adjustments automatically updated for changes, saving valuable time each month. These examples highlight how Wave streamlines sales tax management, helping businesses stay compliant and efficient across multiple locations and tax scenarios. Accounting experts from organizations like the American Institute of CPAs praise Wave for making tax compliance accessible to non-experts, leveling the playing field for small businesses. However, tax attorney Sarah Klein cautions against over-reliance on automation, recommending regular audits, especially for high-risk businesses. Wave's founder Kirk Simpson has stated that AI will make tax setup as straightforward as creating invoices. Key statistics show Wave users collect an average of $50,000 in sales tax annually, with 85% reporting full compliance according to Wave's 2025 survey. A 2025 Intuit study found that automated tools like Wave reduce tax errors by 35% compared to manual methods. In the United States, 70% of small businesses use software for tax management, with Wave capturing 15% market share among free options according to Forrester Research.